For bird dogs, start in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Your hands and knees should both be about shoulder width apart. Place a water bottle, a broom handle, etc. on your back and draw your belly button in to activate your abdominals. Stretch one arm straight out towards the wall in front of you and the opposite leg straight out to the wall behind you. Think of elongating your spine and don't let your back rotate or extend. Return to the start position and alternate sides.